Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the BRZ GR86 and we're installing a set of RSR lowering springs. Now, RSR actually makes two versions for this platform. The down sus, which is more of a medium drop, and the super down sus, which is a medium or more aggressive drop. We're going to be going with the medium down. So let's just dive right in.
While he finishes up the other side, let's go over the main differences between the down sus and the super down sus. The RSR down sus, which we are installing today, is the mild version. It lowers the car about 20 to 25 millimeters, or roughly 0.8 to 1 inch in the front and the rear. The spring rates are around 3.37 kgs up front and 4.8 in the rear. This option keeps daily comfort very close to stock and helps avoid any clearance issues you may have. The RSR super down sus drops the car more aggressively, about 30 to 35 millimeters, or 1.2 to 1.4 inches. The front spring rate is slightly firmer at about 3.57 kgs, while the rear stays similar at 4.8. This version gives you that sharper look, closing up that wheel gap and adding a sportier feel. So if you want a more subtle and comfy ride, go with the down. If you want a more aggressive stance and sharper cornering, super down is definitely the way to go. Just keep in mind, more drop means you have to make sure that alignment is just right, and you'll have to keep an eye out for speed bumps and steep driveways.